I'm so gone, gone, gone over you, over you. You can put it all on my tab. You can spend all of my cash. I'm so gone, gone, gone over you, over you. You know you get my mind so gone. I still can't leave you alone.
Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. It is 6 a.m. in the morning, so I decided today we are doing a organizing slash cleaning up refrigerator and freezer. So yes, so this is the freezer. Don't judge, we gotta do a little grocery shopping, but here's the freezer, here's the refrigerator. You know, I want to clean this up. I'm tired of opening it. It's just looking like this. So I'm going to make it nice and organized. And y'all comment below if you have any organization skills or tips or whatever for my refrigerator. But this is what we have. I'm going to just wipe down, clean down, then go grocery shopping. Also, I'm going to do the cabinet because I just need it more organized. It's like a lot of stuff just back here. See, just everywhere. So that's what we're going to do. All that it's bad, y'all. So it's time to get a little more organized so I can focus. Okay, before, and y'all will see the after. All right. So, I don't know about y'all, but make sure you check them dates to the food because you don't want to leave anything in your refrigerator that is obviously expired. So that's what I'm doing right now. Checking dates, Let me see. That's still good. Yeah, we had to do it the hood way with our mayonnaise because the top broke. Yeah. So, what about that? Like, these cheese sticks are old, so goodbye. Parmesan cheese. What is this? Oh, little hot dog thing. Alright, y'all, so what I'm just gonna go ahead and start pulling out everything and throwing away stuff that is expired. Alright.
Eye producers.
I producers. Make your own smash hit.
All right, y'all. So I got my refrigerator emptied out. Well, actually everything's emptied out except for the fruits down there and vegetables, which I'm getting ready to take out now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do soap and water, bleach. Soap and water. It's with a little bit of bleach. Wipe down in here. Okay. I'm gonna take those out, and then after the bottom part, I'll go ahead and do the top for y'all. All right, y'all, so I bleached it with soapy water. So this is everything. Okay, it's definitely not perfect, but it's way better than what it was. And all the little compartments that I took out, I'm gonna rinse with some hot soapy water, and I'll put it back in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the food back in here and show you guys what it looks like, how I rearrange everything once I'm done. All right, y'all, so I reorganized everything, cleaned up everything. This is the bottom part of the refrigerator. Got all that cheese right there. Okay. In here, this little compartment I cleaned is just shredded cheese and like hot dogs and deli meat and stuff like that, breakfast sausage. So we got all that, the eggs. Right here, I just put some egg roll wrappers and tortillas. Got the capris out the box, and I cleaned the bottom of these and put the fruits, vegetables back. And that's that part. So let's go ahead and get to the top.
The I producers.
Don't smash it with an ivory tube.
Alright, y'all know this didn't take but no time to clean up. Reach that down. So I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back. Same thing with the bottom and show y'all what this looks like once I put the little bit of things that was up in here back in here. Alright y'all, so I'm back. I went ahead and put everything back in there. That's what that's looking like. I just refilled my ice tray so we have some fresh ice. That's everything. That's what's on the side. So let's see everything together. Open. Wow, this is the after. So much cleaner, so much organized. Like I said, if you guys have any tips on organization, especially for a refrigerator, because I really get irritated with the refrigerator organization. It's all over the place. But this is what I've done. Freezer. And y'all comment down below, do you lay your meats in your freezer flat or sideways? Because I actually found out these little ridges are for the meat to be like that. But I'm just so used to just putting it flat. But I guess I'll try. There we go. Y'all comment down below how you store your freezer meat. You just lay it flat or like this on the ridges. Okay, so that's the sides. And now we're gonna go ahead and get into the seasoning cabinet. We're gonna reorganize all that. I'm going crazy. We got too many seasonings and too much little sides, mashed potatoes everywhere, sugar, flour, soy sauce, everything. So y'all stay tuned for that. So I'm just gonna organize these seasonings the best that I can because I have multiple of the same thing. I'm gonna wipe down this counter in here. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. Don't forget to hit that like button while you're watching. Go ahead and do it now. Go ahead, if you haven't, hit that like button. Hit the like button for your girl, please. All right, if you're new, welcome to my channel. Subscribe down below. Ooh, it's a lot of different seasonings in here. And that was just some of the seasonings. That wasn't even all. We still got these big old all this, what is this? Garlic, onion, the big ones from Samsung. Okay, so let me wipe that down. Alright. That's as good as that wipe down is gonna get, y'all. So I'm gonna start with stuff that we barely use, so that can go in the back. Like this Memphis style barbecue. Put that back there. Keon is the one who uses these McCormick grill things, but I barely do, so I'm just gonna place those to the back. We got 2 Montreal chickens. So that's, okay, what else? Where else? Okay, I think that's it for that. Baking powder, that's a rare, only when I need it. I'll put the vanilla with that. The honey right there too. So the stuff that we use a lot, onion powder. So I'm gonna put that up here, just so I can figure out what I'm gonna do. Garlic powder. Those are 2 of the ones we use a lot. Dash. Got to have that dash. If you ain't got that dash, I don't know what to tell you. I use this obviously a lot. It's almost gone. Complete seasoning. So I'll place that behind. Got some pepper. Use that, of course. Parsley flakes. What are some of y'all favorite seasonings to use? Because I wouldn't mind trying some different stuff. We got some oregano, some parsley flakes. Put those back there. I know I got 2 ground cinnamons. I got a paprika. No, everybody uses paprika. Season salt. Season that food. Okay. I try not to use too much seasoned salt because I do not like salty food. Italian seasoning. Are these bouillon cubes? Oh, they're still good. Okay, so I got some beef bouillon. I had them for a long time. They're still not expired. Lemon pepper. Lemon pepper them wings, y'all. Lemon pepper. You got to have that lemon pepper on deck. Okay? And as some of y'all would say, you got to keep the Texas Pete. Y'all know I don't like spicy, so y'all already know who uses this. Not I. Matter of fact, we have this one too that I need to bring down here. Crystal. I wanted to try this, but I ended up not liking it. So it is what it is. I'm sure Keon will use it. So that stuff comes down here as well. Got some bay leaves because I'm making some chicken adobo with potatoes. Stay tuned because that video is coming. I'm actually cooking that today. I don't know when I'm gonna put it up, but I'm gonna make it today and record it. Got that garlic salt. Gotta keep that soy sauce in my house. Half Filipino, so y'all already know. Keep that soy sauce on deck at all times. See, got two. So, got that Old Bay. And, oh, another paprika. See what I'm saying? We be having doubles. Okay. Now, my cooking sprays, I'm actually going to move on top of my stove cabinet. So, yeah. Set those out the way. Vinegar as well is going to go on top of the stove cabinet. So, that's what it looks like now for the bottom. Y'all see that? That's way better than what it was. Because, I mean, it was just all over the place. Now, I'm going to go ahead and do the middle and the top. And because my camera cannot, like, I can't set it anywhere where y'all can see, I will show y'all the after. So here's the before. I mean, it's slam donkey pat, y'all. Look at that. Like, I need some organization. Okay, so I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I'm back. I organized everything. I cleaned off the countertops. This thing is where we keep all of our like little seasoning packs or whatever, fish fry, gravy mixes. The bottom one has just brown sugar in it. That's in bags. We got the rice side, the mashed potato side. We got breadcrumbs in the back. Fruit punch right there. Then I went ahead and refilled my containers. This one is the sugar, the flour, and we have a grits and oatmeal in the behind that, and a package of powdered sugar. So much better. And when you go, you know, cleaning your stuff out, you start finding stuff, because boy did I find some things that needed to be thrown away. So yep, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, comment down below, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, y'all, I'm out. Peace.